And if you liked it, don't forget to give this big...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another unboxing, and let me just take those off. We are going to be doing another unboxing. Today is for Sephora Play, and I just received my box in the mail. So without further ado, if you want to know what I got in my box, then just keep on watching. Alright, so when I open my bag, I do get something like this, and it does have a little card for my 50 insider points. And here is everything I got in my box that I'm trying not to look at because I kind of want it to be a surprise. But it's kind of hard to be a surprise when the bag is kind of clear. So, alright. So I remind you, these are sample sizes, so don't get all greedy. So the first thing I have here is the Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. This is pretty small. Okay, a powerful heat mask that uses Hungarian thermal water to nurture the skin. So here is that. I will give it a try.
You know, I'm just full of samples. This is from Ipsy, this is from Sephora, so...
The next thing I have in here is the Makeup Forever Professional Paris Ultra HD Perfector Skin Tint Foundation, okay? So, I do want to swatch it though because, I mean, how close to my skin can they get without me being in there, you know? Well, I'll give you props, Sephora Play, because you match that pretty darn good. I can still see the line, but the foundation that I do have on right now is lighter, and it is my winter foundation, so I guess you could say they nailed it. Next thing I have is the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. Intensity amp up for big volume lashes, saturated black pigments, thicker and bolder, and prevent clumping and flaking. But the sample looks pretty decent. I think this is pretty good. I want to see the wand. Oh, the wand isn't too bad. It has a little dent in the center, and it feels nice. So, I'm excited about that. Next thing I have in here is a fragrance, which I don't really like fragrances in my thing, but I do want to spritz and spray it. Oh. I mean, it's not my preference. So I might just like give this to my mom. She can keep it in her purse, and yeah. Next thing I have in here is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. And it is a small little sample, but I am excited for this, so I'm not even going to swatch it right now. But this is one of my items. And the last thing I got, and I just wanted it to be the last thing because it's so darn cute. I like the container. I might keep it. And it has a little seal, which I think is... I'm excited, sorry. I just like the color of it. And it is a moisturizer, and I'm not going to put it where I put something else, so.
Ooh. Nice. Oh, this feels amazing. This is so good.
And again, I love the little jar. So, Succulent Solution. It has Cactus Water Moisture. A lightweight moisturizer formulated with Queen of the Night Cactus for soft, supple skin.
Why is it trending? I don't know, but I'll try it and I'll tell you why I like it.
But for now, this is all I got in my Sephora Play bag.
And if you liked it, don't forget to give this big...
And don't forget to like my video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.